Ruhi, what you doing?
I'm staying in Dada's bed only.
You want to stay in Dada's bed only and play? Okay. And what about the little monkeys trying to jump behind you?
No, he's only young.
It's only Yash, not a monkey. Yash, are you a monkey?
No, he's Bhaiya.
You're Yash Bhaiya? You've given yourself this title. And if you're Yash Bhaiya, then what is Ruhi?
Yuhi Didi.
You're Ruhi Didi and he's Yash Bhaiya. And who am I?
Monkey.
I'm a monkey. All right, what is your name? What is your name?
Yes, Advent Johar.
Yash Karan Johar. Wow. And what is the city we live in?
Mumbai.
And what is our country?
I'm in Bachchan and Shahrukh Khan.
Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan is not your country. Your country is India.
India.
Yeah, I love my India. Say I love my India.
I love my India.
Okay, bye bye.
Dada.
Yes.
I want
You want what?
candy chocolate.
You want what chocolate?
I want candy chocolate.
Wait, you want a chocolate? Okay, you answer this question. What are your friends' names?
Naira, Mahi, Nilanita, Nidhi.
Okay, lovely. Are you missing your friends?
Yeah.
Okay, even I'm missing mine. Yes. What are you doing? Wow, this is a tub.
This is useless.
It is what?
Useless.
Useless? This tub is it is rather useless, I have to say, because I have not used it ever. Would you like to? Yeah, Ruhi, I mean Yash, what are you doing?
I'm watching Dada.
You're washing Dada? Okay, bye. Ruhi, where are you going with this big bag?
I'm leaving this house.
You're leaving this house, but where are you going?
My pepper.
You're going to Pepper House? Okay, bye. Excuse me, where are you going, Yash? Where are you going, Ruhi?
I'm fed up.
You're fed up? And Yash, are you also fed up?
No, I cried.
You're also fed up. So you all are leaving? Are you all leaving the house and running away?
Yeah.
Oh God, we'll miss you. Bye.
Bye.
Toodles.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. I don't know where they are going, but they are going. Bye. Bye. Lovely. Excuse me, what are you all looking like? What is this?
Stupid.
You're you are saying it's stupid? You think Dada looks stupid in these glasses?
I'm stupid.
You are not stupid. I think Dada is stupid to have bought these glasses. Okay, toodles. Bye. Where wardrobe diaries continue. Oh my God, what do we have here? Ruhi, what are you feeling?
No, my Gucci.
Oh God, but why?
It's so tiny.
It's too shiny. Yash, what do you think? Again? You're really laughing at Dada. I'm very upset. I'm sulking. Toodles.
Children.
Wow, Yash, you like Dada's shoes?
No.
Oh, why? Why don't you like them?
That is Ruby.
They're Ruhi's shoes.
This is not my shoe. This is your shoe.
Yes, this is my shoe, but he thinks they are your shoes. Okay. All right.
Yum.
Okay.
Yum.
Hello, what is this, Ruhi?
The girls' clothes.
This is not this is not girls' clothes. This is Dada wore for Filmfare Awards. And, what is this? What is this? Why? Are you laughing at Dada's clothes? Oh God. Okay. Okay. I suppose I have to reassess my fashion choices. Ruhi, anything you'd like to say?
No.
Okay. Toodles.
Today.
Oh God. What is this?
Holy time.
Holy time? This is not holy, darling. This is tie-dye.
It's tie-dye and holy.
And holy. Okay. Well, that's also a way of looking at it. Toodles.
Today.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Wow, Ruhi, Yash, we are in Dada's closet. Ruhi, you like Dada's clothes?
No.
You don't like Dada's clothes? Yash, what should Dada wear then?
Same cloth.
Huh?
Simple cloth. Simple cloth.
Simple clothes Dada should wear. Wow, we're having our lunch. Wow, Ruhi, what you eating?
You want tummy.
I have a tummy. So what are you saying, that I should not be eating? I should not eat because I have a tummy? That's very mean. Why are you saying such mean things to your Dada? Huh? You're even imitating that Dada has a tummy. You're finding this very funny, I must say, Ruhi. I'm very upset. Say toodles.
Today.
Say toodles.
No, I didn't say.
Oh, you didn't say. Okay, then say whatever you want. Say bye.
Look at tummy.
Huh? Oh my God. I'm going to go to the gym. Bye. But wait. Yash, Ruhi, you all told me also Shah Rukh Khan in my cupboard. Where is he? Please tell me. Please tell me. I have never seen Shah Rukh Khan in my closet before. Show me where. Where is he? This is Shah Rukh Khan according to you. This is not. This is not. Yash, who is this?
Shah Rukh Khan.
This is who?
Shah Rukh Khan.
This is not Shah Rukh Khan, darling. Why do you say this is Shah Rukh Khan?
This is Dada.
No, Baba, this is Dada. Shah Rukh Khan and Dada are one in heart and spirit, but this is not Shah Rukh Khan. Okay, now what is happening? Please, can you all, I beg of you, leave my clothes alone. You all have really destroyed them and ruined my reputation. Leave my closet. Come on. Bye. Toodles. Okay, I get it. Okay. Oh, okay. Are you reprimanding me? All right, bye. I'm sorry. Wow. Ye dosti. Oh God, you don't want me to sing? Okay, toodles. Yash, what is this?
Jacket.
It's a jacket. Do you like this jacket? Wow, this is a Versace jacket. It looks like a little bit of a blanket here, but it is a jacket. Are you enjoying this jacket at all?
Yes.
Okay, lovely. Contrary to what you've been saying about my other clothes, I'm glad you're enjoying this. Ruhi, what?
I'm on the wall.
Are you fed up of Dada's closet?
No.
Then why do you want to go outside? Again, there's no need to laugh. Hello. Okay, we get the point. You find this closet funny.
Thank you.
Oh my God, they're adjusting each other's hair. All right. Okay. All right. This was just a general hello. Say everybody, say go Corona.
Go Karana.
Lovely. Where wardrobe diaries continue. Oh my God, what do we have here? Ruhi, what are you feeling?
No, we're Gucci.
Oh God, but why?
It's so tiny.
It's so shiny. Yash, what do you think? Again? You're really laughing at Dada. I'm very upset. I'm sulking. Toodles.
Children.
It's tea time. Ruhi, Dada is very upset. Yash said I should wear simpler clothes. What do you think?
No, we're Gucci.
No?
We're Gucci.
No wear Gucci. And what do you think? No
Very
wear...
sharp.
Very,
Sharp Gucci.
very sharp Gucci? Okay.
Very sharp.
Very sharp? Gucci is very sharp. Okay. Mama, what do you think of my sartorial choices?
I feel you're wearing too much black, too much bling. But in short, I think you could reinvent yourself.
Oh dear. Toodles.
Kudos to you too.
Hello, what is this, Ruhi?
The girls' clothes.
This is not this is not girls' clothes, this is Dada wore for Filmfare Awards. And, what is this? What is this? Why? Are you laughing at Dada's clothes? Oh God. Okay. I suppose I have to reassess my fashion choices. Ruhi, anything you'd like to say?
No.
Okay. Toodles.
Today.
Wow, Ruhi, Yash, we are in Dada's closet. Ruhi, you like Dada's clothes?
No.
You don't like Dada's clothes. Yash, what should Dada wear then?
Same cloth.
Huh?
Simple cloth. Simple cloth.
Simple clothes Dada should wear. Yash, how sad these corona times are. Who do you think will take it away? How do you think this corona can leave our lives?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Huh?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan can take this away?
Yes.
Okay. I'm so stumped by that. So should I call Mr. Amitabh Bachchan and request him to do that?
No.
Then how will he take it away? I'll have to request him. Should I say Yash wants this coronavirus to go away and can you please help Mr. Amitabh Bachchan? I'm going to call him.
Huh.
Okay.
No, come. Amitabh Bachchan not come to my room.
Amitabh Bachchan's not coming to your room? Well, okay.
For Mama.
Don't talk to Mama, but talk to Dad.
Yash, are you sulking with Mama? Huh? Are you sulking with Mama? Why is he sulking with you?
Because I said not to touch my hair.
But why are you being so protective about your hair? And why are you looking like a 16-year-old with his hairband? Some kind of a crisis we're going through?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah? Ruhi,
Yeah.
you like Mama's hair?
No.
Well, my thoughts exactly. Toodles. Yash, now that I've trained you about the coronavirus, what would you like to say about it?
Very bad.
It is very bad. And what are you doing about it?
Playing.
You're playing. That's what you're doing to fight the coronavirus? Well, I suppose everyone has their own ways. Yash, good evening. Good evening. Hello.
Sunny.
Sunny? It's hardly a sunny day. It's rather gloomy these days. But tell me, have you heard of the coronavirus? Have you heard of the coronavirus?
No.
You haven't heard? What is this acrobat you're doing? Tell us.
I'm Taduvano. I had a Peppa Pig.
You've heard of Peppa Pig?
Oh.
Well, that's a little different from what we're all going through right now, which is the coronavirus. You've heard. And what have you heard of?
George.
George? You've heard of George and you've heard of Peppa Pig. Clearly, you're not keeping up with international affairs. We have to do something about that.
Are you sleeping?
Wow, what a work of art, Ruhi. Are you enjoying painting?
No.
Oh, then why are you painting?
Every day she touches me.
Yash, exactly what have you made?
Mama, I want to
Scooter.
That's a scooter? I'm not quite sure. That looks like a scooter, but okay, if you insist. Ruhi, any other? Oh my god. This is a lamp? Is this a lamp?
Yeah.
What colors are you using?
Pink.
That is not pink, darling. That is like a red. Okay, that was a perplexed expression that she gave me. You're wearing pink. That's a beautiful pink. This is red. And these colors are a mishmash of God knows what. Yash, any words to everyone staring at this video from you? Say something, Yash. Hello.